Hello and welcome to another update video about ETHBTC. Just wanted to highlight here a possible change that is going to be incoming, going to be changing soon. This is obviously a chart that indicates which of these two cryptos, Ethereum and Bitcoin, is outperforming the other. It doesn't necessarily have any correlation to any of the USD charts, but it still shows which one is going to be stronger, okay? So with ETHBTC, currently we are in a local downtrend, which means that Bitcoin is outperforming Ethereum. That, however, should change soon. We're going to take a look at a few targets here to the downside and when this move down could be finished. It could already be finished. We've seen such a nice green candle here a few days ago, but it is not enough for me to say the trend has shifted. Unfortunately, in what I have labeled here as a C wave, the subwaves are not very clear, very shallow, and the ETHBTC chart anyway, it is more of a it's a chart that moves in three waves. It's a chart that moves in corrective waves. So it's the USD charts are a little more reliable. Nevertheless, you can use Elliott Wave here to get some to track some structures. And if I'm looking at this as a WXY structure, where the X wave was a triangle, there are a few other interpretations, but this is the one that I'm in favor of. We can measure target for that Y wave. How do we do that? We take the length of the wave W, go to the high of the X wave, and then we're looking for the 1-to-1 ratio. I think that is a common one. I mean, it reacted to the 61.8 extension at 0.06, okay? This is the very first target for such a Y wave, but the 1-to-1 ratio at 0.0534 would be a more reliable one. Yeah, so it's the more common one, not reliable, more common. But that's only one way of looking at it. I'm going to add, by the way, here a dotted line, so we don't forget about this level. And I want to have it in white. Okay, and another way of looking at it is not to take the length of the Y wave, but actually to track the length of the C wave. Because we can also measure the length of the A wave, go to the high of the B wave, and then we're looking at possible target for the C wave here. We have two possible targets. First of all, here around about 0.06. Yeah, that's where the support area begins. Actually, I moved it a little bit too high, but I want to indicate that sometimes it turns around just before it reaches target. We've got here 0.059. That is the 100% extension. And then we've got the 1.618 extension at 0.052. So these are three targets all measured in different ways. But I think if we go down further, they are certainly levels to watch while we come down lower. Let me take that one out. For possible reactions. Okay, so for me at the moment, this is the count. And if I'm zooming in, it looks to me that what we're doing here could be the C wave, obviously, of Y, of a B wave, which should then result in a larger C wave to the upside eventually, which means that after we form a low here, Ethereum should start to outperform Bitcoin again for the foreseeable future. Now, if I'm going to the 4-hour chart, this is difficult, this one, okay? Now, I've got the wave 1 here, very long wave 1. This to me looks like a 3 then, the 4 and the 5. There are a few other ways of doing this. I'm thinking about, do I have another tiny 1, 2? Is this then the 3, 4, 5 and the larger 3 sits here? But, this is... It's not very clear, that micro count. That's best I can do at the moment. If we really get much higher, I would need to look at what else it could be, or have we already bottomed? For now, I assume another low. To confirm that, it would need to break below the third wave low here at 0.0606. Okay, that's my update about ETHBTC. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.